When a higher power selects you, it doesn't come with a handbook. Instead, it offers hints, signals, and whispers. These signs shouldn't be brushed off as mere chance occurrences. They should be acknowledged and explored. By delving into their depths, you may uncover their arrows, guiding you towards your destiny. You're not phony. You possess traits that distinguish you as a chosen one. Pretending to be something you're not isn't in your nature. If a situation doesn't feel authentic, you'd rather walk away than feign your way through it. You struggle to connect with people who aren't genuine, whether they prioritize material possessions, thrive on gossip, or engage in bullying. You have a keen ability to detect insincerity from afar, a natural talent that sets you apart. You possess an insatiable thirst for more. Unlike those who find comfort in routine, you're driven by the belief that there's something greater awaiting you. The idea of conforming to societal norms and settling for a mundane existence feels stifling. You recognize that life extends beyond the confines of a typical job and societal expectations. Unbound by the limitations that confine others, you're aware of the vast, extraordinary world waiting to be explored. Embracing the words of Robert Frost, you opt for the road less traveled, a path divergent from the mainstream. You understand that this choice will shape your life in profoundly meaningful ways. Amidst life's challenges, you persevere. Many may be called, but only a few are chosen. The chosen ones are the toughest, enduring the most difficult battles. As a chosen one, your life is destined to be riddled with challenges right from the start. These trials serve a purpose. They forge you into a stronger, wiser individual. Navigating through dark and trying times grants you the skills and insight to support others facing their own struggles. Your experiences pave the way, making the journey easier for those who follow. Each hardship, pain, struggle, test, and challenge holds significance. Nothing is without purpose. These trials exist to facilitate your spiritual growth and furnish you with the wisdom necessary to contribute positively to the world. Even amidst your own adversities, you somehow find the strength to aid others in their struggles, serving as a beacon of hope and healing. Your commitment to truth extends beyond self-care. You're dedicated to serving and assisting those around you. Since youth, you've possessed an insatiable curiosity for truth. Unafraid to question conventional beliefs, you prefer to listen to your inner voice and forge your own path. Your relentless pursuit of understanding drives you to explore the mysteries of existence. You recognize that true answers often lie within, rather than solely in the external world. Echoing the wisdom of Socrates, you hold firm to the belief that a life left unexamined lacks true value. This conviction propels you on a journey of self-discovery, where you actively seek to understand yourself and your place in the world. You're not merely skimming the surface of life. You're delving deep into its depths, striving to uncover the essence of who you are. Being the odd one out in your family serves as another indicator of your chosen status. You've always sensed a disconnect, feeling like you don't quite fit in. Perhaps your beliefs or perspectives diverge sharply from those of your relatives. This sense of difference can breed feelings of isolation, like you're dancing to a tune no one else hears. Yet, this dissonance also signifies that you're destined for something beyond conformity, something grander than simply blending in. Despite facing mistreatment or exploitation in the past, you remain committed to kindness and benevolence. Your innate goodness stems from a pure heart, a core aspect of your being that aligns with your status as a chosen one. Your inclination to bring joy to others, sometimes at your own expense, is not a sign of weakness, but rather a testament to your compassionate nature. Giving comes naturally to you. It's woven into the fabric of your being. While some may perceive your generosity as an opportunity for exploitation, you continue to give freely, finding fulfillment in the act itself. This selfless disposition underscores your uniqueness and marks you as someone destined for a greater purpose. Deep within, you harbor an undeniable sense of being chosen, a knowing that transcends doubt or denial. It's like an instinct deep within you, an undeniable feeling burning in your soul, persistently whispering that you're destined for something significant. You have an innate sense that you're meant to leave a lasting impact on the world. You feel like an ancient soul, wise beyond your years, observing the chaos of earthly existence with bewilderment. The hostility, the conflicts, it all seems senseless to you. At times, you even sense a longing for a place far removed from here, a distant home that feels familiar yet elusive. You're acutely aware that you're different from the crowd, not content to merely follow along with the status quo. Your purpose is to instigate change, to make the world a better place. Despite any attempts to deny it, this calling persists, an unwavering beacon guiding your path. Yet, despite your goodness and intentions, you may find that some people harbor dislike towards you. It can be perplexing, especially when you've done nothing to warrant such feelings. The root of this aversion lies in the brightness of your inner light, which can inadvertently illuminate the darkness within others. As you continue to grow spiritually, this light will shine even brighter, drawing both admiration and discomfort from those around you. It's crucial to understand that their reaction isn't a reflection of your worth, but rather a manifestation of their own unresolved issues. Don't allow anyone to diminish your radiance. Embrace your uniqueness and let go of negativity, trusting in the support of the universe. Remember, you're guided and protected from above. Focus on your greater purpose and don't be deterred by those who fail to understand you. Keep shining your light, for you are here to make a difference. You have a strong belief in a higher power, unlike those who may disregard spiritual concepts. You hold deep reverence for the universe or God, perceiving nuances that others might overlook. You recognize that everything unfolds according to a divine plan, a belief that guides your actions. You identify as a light worker, someone tasked with spreading light and love in the world, a calling you feel deep within. Because of this sacred mission, you feel guided and protected by higher forces, alleviating any fear as you walk your unique path. If you recognize the signs discussed, it's a signal from the divine, urging you to embrace your mission on Earth. As part of our faithful community, your support enables the creation of more insightful content. Thank you for being a valued member, and may you be blessed with abundance and prosperity in your journey ahead.